There's just this look you give the other man, and it is like, what the hell are the words? In the hope that he'd look at you and he'd mouth them to you, but you realise he's also giving you the same look. Monday morn.
Yeah.
Thank you, good night.
Much like George in bed, he sometimes stuns the other person into silence. So when we say Monday morn on the first day, next day it'll be Tuesday, you're going to have to holler back Monday morn. So if we go Monday morn, you go Monday morn. Yeah, but
just morn is
just
fine.
Morn.
Don't confuse it by adding another syllable. It's hard enough as it is.
American English.
Morn.
All right. Want to try it again? Monday morn. Yeah, not ahead. That's still Sunday. Wait for it.
So,
Monday morn.
Let's give them the music. Again, if you feel sexual, just go for it. Show your tushy. Monday morn.
Yeah. So good. Now listen, we only made it on this job until Thursday. So don't save yourselves thinking you're going to have to sing it for 7 days. 4 days.
Monday morn.
Uniform. Bossman puts the steel inside my hand. Don't sing.
Pound the ties. Mountainside. Lay the devil's backbone through the land. You're doing well. Well done, 3C. No need to see me afterwards.
This is how we worked.
Tuesday morn. Break of dawn. Bossman sends me out to blast the stone. All day long. Here and gone. Working in the darkness on my own. Oh, what I wouldn't do to jump off this train. Burn both my working shoes. Cut away these chains. Wednesday morn. Hands are sore. Bossman got his eyeballs locked on me. Sun beats down. Hammer sound. Won't the bossman ever let me be? Oh, what I wouldn't do to jump off this train. Burn both my working shoes. Cut away these chains.
Last day of the week.
Thursday morn. Can't go on. You know I ain't work another goddamn day. Steal the gun. On the run. Cross the river, freedom come my way. Oh, what I wouldn't do to jump off this train. Burn both my working shoes. Cut away these chains. And cut